Almost every morning, this is what I come out to in my garden recently. Squirrels digging into my beds looking for nuts and acorns, and it has become a nuisance and aggravating. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you as well. In today's video, we are going to finally do something about the nuisance squirrels that have been going in and out of all of my raised beds. Today, we're going to put a cover from Vigo onto my Vigo raised bed. Let's get started. So this is the frost cover that I got from Vigo, and it's 3 feet by 5. Comes with all the hardware and the cloth itself. So we're going to go ahead and put it together, and I'll show you how. So the first thing that we have to do is to take the screws out of the drip system that I have connected to this bed. The screws that we're replacing them with are approximately 6 milliliters in length, and we'll be able to go through the covering, it's the poles for the covering, as well as the sprinkler system. So we have the 8 poles connected. Next step is to connect the straight and curved pieces at the top. And then after that, we will put in the canopy and then go ahead and put the covering on itself. From this point on, it goes relatively quick and simple. So we're almost done. We have the top connected and we're putting on the final pieces for the canopy. And then we will add the frost cloth itself. So here is the final step. We are adding the frost covering on. The frost covering itself is relatively simple to put on. And in this clip, you will see that I actually had it on sideways. And then I realized that and put it on where it needed to go. So enjoy the music. So as you can see, we finally have it together. It is very secure. It allows me to keep the warmth in and block out the wind, especially necessary during all the thunderstorms that my area gets in the summertime. And it has adjustable straps along the bottom where I can, as I said, keep the warmth in and keep the wind out, and also keeping cold drafts out. It also comes with smart venting rather, for healthy growth. There are two vents on the left and right side, and I can also unzip it either in front or in back. Overall, I think I'm going to like it, and it will keep the pest out of the bed now. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we added this to my raised bed here. This is the Vigo frost covering kit, and I bought it separately from the raised bed. And I think it's money well spent. It was very frustrating coming out in the morning and seeing that the squirrels had been digging in the raised bed. I actually found a couple of small potatoes that had been uncovered. So I covered them back up. And as I said before, this should keep them out of it, and we shouldn't have any issues anymore. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I can't grow is this channel. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.